The stock market is staying strong. Let's bring in Michele Schneider, the chief market strategist at MarketGauge. Mish, the market doing well, but will it last?
Well, the first key is we at MarketGauge use calendar ranges, and the year is divided by January calendar range and July calendar range. So we just had a reset for July. And what's interesting is the July highs have already been made earlier in the month, and the July lows were also made earlier in the month. So right now, all the indices and most of the sectors that we watch are right smack dab in the middle. So I know the market looks really good, highly resilient and all of that. There's also a lot of people who think that seasonality-wise, we should sell off. I say number two is to really watch the consumer sector, particularly after a good retail sales number, XRT, that's my granny retail, sitting right in the middle between where it needs to break out over recent highs, 81.70, or be cautious if it breaks down under the lows of around 77. Trading right now, 79 as we speak. That means it's still undecided. The third thing, of course, would be, I think, to watch the long bonds. And the long bonds are very key here because we have a president who keeps slamming the table to lower the rates, threats of a regime change in the whole Federal Reserve.
What's your trade of the day?
Well, right now, my trade of the day is E.L.F. Beauty. You know, I've been all over the diet trade thing. And so E.L.F. has now corrected down to the 50-day moving average. You have a really good low risk if you're wrong. And if the market holds up and the diet drug tendency, which includes obviously makeup, continues to go forward, that could be a stock that could run from here.
Thank you, Mish.